Hey everyone! In today's quick video, I'll show you how to change the batteries on your Blink outdoor camera. It's a simple process, and you'll be done in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, remove the camera from its mount. If your Blink outdoor is attached to a mounting bracket, just pop it off from the back. Once removed, you'll see a small screw on the rear cover. You don't need any special tools for this. A coin like a penny, nickel, or quarter works perfectly. Turn the screw counterclockwise to loosen it. After loosening the screw, open the back cover of the camera. Inside, you'll see the battery compartment. Remove the old batteries and replace them with new lithium batteries. This part is very important. Blink outdoor cameras are designed to work best with lithium batteries. Using alkaline batteries can reduce battery life and may disable certain features. Once the new batteries are installed, line the back cover up carefully. Make sure the USB port on the cover aligns properly with the USB opening on the camera. Close the cover and tighten the screw using your coin until it's secure, but don't over-tighten it. That's it! Your Blink outdoor camera now has fresh batteries and is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.